facilitate this session to guide you to heal and release whatever wound is held in the heart space so that you can rebuild self-love. Let's begin. Please choose the most comfortable spot in the room, the place you'd like to be, whether that's a chair, a bed, or somewhere else that feels good for you. And as you make your way over, allow your movements to slow just a little. This doesn't have to be slow motion. Just taking things a little slower than usual is enough to begin to invite calm into your body. Think of it as moving one gear down in mind and body. Bring awareness to each movement as you make your way over. Feel the steadying of the nervous system as you bring attention to where you place your hands, your legs, and how you sit or lie down. You may wish to listen to this for 21 days or as long as you feel it helpful to allow for gradual healing and rebuild of self-love. And in the true sense of a guide, think of me as a presence that brings a light to any darkness, holding a lamp to shine and show the way forward. With all that said, let's focus on the here and now. Is there anything you can do in this moment to make yourself a little bit more comfortable? Notice and make those adjustments. You may wish to lie down if you haven't already done so, but you don't need to do anything that you don't want. Now that you are settled, take a breath in. Place a hand on yourself if you wish to, and you can close your eyes now, or later, or not at all. You can also keep your eyes open throughout. If you do, you may wish to soften your focus, and you can tilt your gaze downwards. You can take a few slow, heavy blinks as this sends a message to your nervous system and can encourage a calm inner state. And as you rest quietly there, just listening to the sound of my voice and hearing your breath, and feel your life right here, right now. Each breath of air is a reminder that there is still life to live, and where there is life, there is hope. So let's take the next easy step. Allow yourself to breathe naturally and without judgment. Notice if you are breathing into your chest or down into your belly. Does it feel shallow or deep? Can you feel a movement below your chest as you inhale now? Exhale a little more slowly than usual. And as you focus on the here and now as you engage with my words, it is of no concern if your conscious mind wanders, because your subconscious mind is always present. And just as you slow the movement down a little as you prepare, notice now if you can exhale a little more slowly too. with the sensation of the air, the sound, the friction, and flow. Take in another breath, and again more than observe, really feel the air flowing into you. Breathe out, however slowly and gently. This feels good to you. Notice the softness of each breath and allow that gentle softness to spread through your body. Imagine the air carrying a feeling, a sense of calm, perhaps even a color that fills you with ease. As the oxygen from each breath diffuses into your bloodstream, feel it circulate from head to toe, bringing calm with it, flowing through every part of you. Each breath is a wave, softly expanding throughout your being, soothing and relaxing. Let yourself sense the temperature of air that feels just right for you. Perhaps a cool, refreshing flow from head. Like the crystal clear air from snowy mountain tops. Or maybe your body chooses another feeling, like sinking in to a warm bath. Your mind will automatically choose sensations that are right for you. Feel the next breath now as you take in air, and as you exhale, just let the air flow. No force, and allow yourself to sink down more now. And as you move beyond the breath, you become aware of the muscles in your chest. Ribs moving. At some level, you can feel this. And you can allow the bands of muscles in your chest to ease, to give more freedom of movement as you breathe. And you can let your lower belly relax a little more. Whether you hear every word I say consciously or not, your subconscious always hears and responds. It may wish to let go of any tension in the chest or lower surface level anxiety or fear release from all over your body now. Let this be swept away with the next few breaths. Perhaps you can allow a pleasant weight to come over your shoulders, allowing shoulders to just a little more. As your conscious mind can relax and take a step back, finding much needed rest. The shoulders sink slowly and steadily down. This frees up your arms, and perhaps you feel a comfortable heaviness or lightness in your arms. Either way, it feels more alive to move your arms, so you can decide to let them rest. The muscles of your scalp can allow relaxation to flow through them, releasing any tight feeling around the head, the back, the sides and the crown, and especially throughout the forehead itself. Allow the softening effect to ripple over the top of your head. Feel this wave drifting down over your forehead, over and around your eyelids, soothing your eyes, relaxing all the tiny muscles around them. Let the calming, loosening feelings flow over your cheeks, releasing any tension. Then allow this to loosen your jaw, especially the hinges, reminding the muscles to let go of any subconscious grip. If it feels right, let your jaw drop a little, parting your teeth, allowing your lips to soften. And some part of your mind notices the easy flow of air through your nose or mouth. As your conscious mind feels more relaxed and restless, you are reassured that your subconscious is always engaged and alert. And if it feels good, you can continue to lengthen the out breath, as this will send a message to the vagus nerve to relax even more. No force here at all. With each breath out, you release any remaining grip on your jaw, and perhaps you notice how this has a ripple effect on your neck, feeling those tight muscles muscles that circle your neck start to unwind. Feel any knots of muscles begin to unravel now. And as you let one part go, it gets easier and easier to let go more. Your shoulders continue to unfold and drift down and away from your ears. As you feel a greater security, even just a little more than before. More softness flows throughout your body. And at some level you can start to recognize that it doesn't take too much to begin to shift your inner state. As you feel the breath of life flow through you, you can sense that it makes your arms softer, your legs heavy and relaxed. And as you feel the changes in your breath and subtle shifts in your body, as the breath flows deeper, your focus goes deeper too. And feel that flow of oxygen and calm flowing from the tiny air sacs of your lungs. And the flow from your lungs sends oxygen across your chest, down your shoulders, sending calm rippling along your arms, all the way to your hands. The next breath flows down your legs to your toes, and another circles and smooths out any remaining tension in the mind, if there is any. And the more relaxed you feel, the stronger you feel too. And as you think about strength, and as you feel the power of your mind to imagine anything at all, strength can manifest in many ways, and in many physical and non-physical forms. They talk to you about strength. Who or what would be a symbol of strength for you? Who or what would be a symbol of protection? This may be a real person, or this may be an imagined person, a superhero in aim, a guardian figure that you feel in your life. And this would be a nurturing protection, one that makes you feel completely safe. hold, or wear, or display as a symbol of protection. And as you bring this image of your guardian into focus, I invite you to notice their features more closely. Take a moment to look and notice what is unique about them. Strength is more than just physical. It is emotional strength too. Let this figure emerge. What is the first thing you notice? You may get specific details, or just a general impression. What feels reassuring about them? If you can perceive their eyes or face, you may see that their gaze shows a kind regard. Their body language sends a message of reassuring security. If they are looking towards you, you may perhaps perceive a loving light in their eyes that speaks of compassion and understanding. Or they may be looking away, standing guard, forever calm in the knowledge that they can count. Still imagine that their eyes reflect only passion, the profound wisdom, as if they can see beyond any pain or worry into the essence of you. Your light is still present. They see it. They truly see you beyond all that you have lived. And as they stand witness to you, you sense their powerful grounding energy and a divine energy too. Whether you notice specifically them or a general presence, take a moment to feel how their energy resonates with you. Your guardian stands watch, you know that you can fully relax and let go, as their light casts a soft glow and unites with the light of my guidance. And as you do, you can feel in some way that their light reaches you. And their vigilance takes over from you. that can gently allow you to fall asleep. And as your conscious mind and body get sleepier and sleepier, there is still a soft light on in the back of your mind. And this light connects with the light of the love as I guide you forward on the path to healing. And you'll protect a safe watch over your physical being. And now I'd like your subconscious awareness to go to an even deeper state as you travel to the center of your heart space. And use each number now as a deepener, each number from 3 to 1 as a step down to a greater, deeper, even more wonderful state of calm. Hear my words now. 3, deeper calm. 2, relaxation expands. 1, feeling totally centered and safe. In this time, in this place. And as you sink deeper now, allow yourself to set your focus on your heart space. As you feel the beat, take a moment to sense and appreciate power and peace of your heart. The mighty beat that refuses to be defeated, a reminder of the strength within you. Take a moment to notice any impression of your heart space, whether visuals or sensations, sounds, or any emotional shift within you. Notice now how you can hold both strength and love. They coexist in the same space, 2 parts of a complete you in your heart. In your heart there is a light that grows stronger, a light that although it is weightless, it carries a powerful energy. This light is you, the essence of you. A light that has never been extinguished. And even in the darkest moments, this light may have shrunk, may have retreated. With your compassion, allow this light to grow, that begins to pulsate and expand with every heart beat. These vibrations begin to unlock any freeze response from past trauma. Gently allow the pulsation of love. As your light grows, so does your power and strength. You become a beacon of hope, a source of courage. And the word courage itself comes from the same word that means heart. Untwist your heart. Let love in again. Let love fill you and fuel you. You feel this light expand so much that it touches the very walls of the heart. If there is any bruising or tenderness here, allow it to heal. Let your heart become whole and complete again. Allow any heart muscle to unknot and become smooth. Allow a full and powerful to flow through you. Untwist your heart. Receive the healing light in every chamber. This light now connects to the arteries and veins that serve your heart space, removing any blockage with ease. That the thymus gland begin to restore itself too, seated just above the heart space. I ask that the light be sent to the thymus gland now, as it lies just below the breastbone. Let it be nourished by this light. As the light of my lamp and the light of your guardian fall, the sacred trinity is yours. You wish to be seen again, to emerge from the darkness and reclaim the light that was always yours. You connect to the light from the aura of your guardian, and the two lights, theirs and yours, converge in your heart center. Notice now if, as you connect with your guardians, is there any message conveyed in some form, spoken or unspoken? Whether clear messages or general impressions. Feel like the tides of two lights converge and shift your own emotions in a beneficial way. And as the guardian's light connects with yours, you may decide how far and how deep this light can travel. Guardian's light may simply form a protective umbrella, a shield, or you may wish to ask for this light to help you, knowing their presence is here to support you. Peacefully remove or transmute any trauma or hurtful body memory in the heart itself or in the energetic heart chakra space. Quiet will follow while this happens. Somehow, in your heart space, your guardian helps you unlock the last barrier to unconditional self-love. two energies intertwine and combine powers. And you locate the source within you, the wellspring of love. An eternal source that will never run dry. Ask now for any help you need to unblock the source of limitless love if needs be. Ask and you will receive all that you need. Take a minute. Feel the final barrier ease now. The last block dissolve. And now the wellspring flows freely. Feel it fill you and shower down on you. Visualize this love as a radiant golden flowing fountain of light, filling you and enveloping you in warmth, in nurturing energy, flowing back to source, only to return and rise up to fill you and embrace you again. Offer yourself love and compassion. The love is always returned to you, multiplied, replenishing. As this source of love expands, flowing through your arteries and veins, infusing every muscle and bone with its radiant energy. Each cell becomes a window, absorbing the light till it shines through your skin, illuminating your entire being. Shines through the backs of your eyes and through the top of your head, connecting you to the divine. Feel how far the light has traveled. gentle embrace, reminding you that you are protected. You are cared for, and you are secure and safe. In the sacred space of your heart, from the continuous flow of love, a brighter light still emerges, a spark of joy, a quiet joy that springs from within, light and purpose in energy. See the spark dance in your heart, rising up to cast out the last shadow of doubt and oppression from your mind. And I wonder how you will see yourself differently, see your world differently the next time that you open your eyes. As you sit, will you contemplate the new inner harmony and peace? Or will you first notice how you perceive your external world differently? As your inner state will resonate with the world around you. What we perceive outside of us is a reflection of our inner world. Feel your entire body coming back online. No more need to auto-react in fight, flight, or freeze. No need to fall with others. You are equal to all others, and you are capable and able to set and defend your own boundaries. And as you realize that life has changed, that you are changed and renewed in some way, you look now to your guardian, and they look back at you with admiration and pride. They seem to be waiting to offer you something. Now your guardian gifts you a symbol of a hopeful future. Notice what it is that represents the bright future they see for you. It may be words, it may be or some symbolic gesture. Take some time here. light. And you now may recognize that whatever hurt you have experienced, whatever loss or pain, you are now present for yourself and can never abandon yourself. Whatever may happen, whoever may come into your life, you will always nurture yourself first and foremost. Emptiness is replaced with abundance. Abandonment is replaced by belonging. Loss is replaced by the gift of self-love. As you are deeply connected to it, you will never ever withhold love from yourself, ever. And from the grounding energy of your guardian, there is no you see and you feel that you are always deserving of love. And now, even as the light retreats, your guardian is still present. And notice now that you feel loneliness and abandonment vanished. A glimmer of joy in your eyes. The fullness of hope in your heart. Your sense of self-worth restored. And your trust restored in your sense of control over your life. And at some level you are present and aware, even at a subconscious level. Even if the conscious mind is asleep. And as this deeply healing hypnosis comes to an end, you may wish to simply remain in this space and allow the profound sense of peace in your heart. And to know that even though this ends, you have been given the means to connect to your own light and to the one life. Feel the source of love as it continues to flow through you. Returning again and again, renewing endlessly. constant reminder of your worth. Whatever else happens, wherever you go, you are always at home within yourself.